Hello, investors. So today I want to talk about how to locate, like if there's any liens or any violations on a property. A lot of times people are concerned about if they buy a tax deed, what are the liens associated with the property and how can they find out if there's any other violations? Well, the first thing is that you want to make sure that whatever county that you're investing in, if they will clear all the liens. Now, one of the things that I love about tax deeds is that they do not come with overages. They do not come with mortgages, not overages. I just got through doing something. I'm sorry. So mortgages. So most of the time when a property is getting sold at a tax deed auction, you're pretty much getting the property free and clear. However, in some counties, they do not clear all the liens or violations on the property. So you want to make sure that whatever county that you invest with, that you can make sure that everything is cleared prior to purchase. So this video is about me making a request, this is basically public records. Now, some of the counties are the public records aren't on file. They're not online. And then because of COVID, now they're not allowing you to go in there. Some places you can go in. Just so happens Sacramento County, I can request the public records, the documents online. And so that's what I'm going to be doing today. Now, there are some other places where they have the stuff online and you could just look it up. But I called in the county today because I couldn't find it, and they told me this is what I needed to do. So I'm getting prepared for auction. Right, the auction's going to happen next week. So now I'm just covering all my due diligence, meaning they basically let me know that all the mortgages and judgments will be cleared, but if there are any violations or if there are any code enforcement fees, they are not cleared. So basically you're saying, I would like to know all the violations, fees, or enforcement codes that are associated with property address. What's the property address? 7300 Alden Way. Now, the reason why I'm sending this to them, because when I was looking up on the tax deed auction, they're letting me know that there are some violation codes on this property. So basically I'm sending this over to them because I want to know everything that's associated with this. So it's telling me to select the department. Now this is really good. Like if you were gonna do a overage, or like you would click the clerk recorder, but today we're just doing tax deeds. So we're gonna put development and code services. And the next thing you just do is you just type in an email address. So we're going to type in Coleman Amika. There we go. We're going to do that. So we're just going to type in my address, my name, and my address. They probably want to know. So then that's all we have to do for the request, and then we just submit it. And so I wanted to go over this with you because every county is going to be different. And a lot of people always ask me, okay, Mika, well, what county? How do I know? Every county is different. So I don't have a blanket answer for you. However, most of the counties do have all the information online. This is just me sharing one of the processes on making a request to the public records in a county that will in short, give me the information after I make the request. And I would suggest if you're going to be investing in a specific county or an auction, it's really important to do your due diligence first. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, or make a comment in the video. I appreciate your time and I look forward to working with you in the near future.